So we'll go ahead and we'll duplicate this again by pressing Command D or going up to Edit, Duplicate. Press S to bring up the scale, and we'll scale that down. We'll change the width of our stroke. We'll make this something smaller, maybe a small stroke, something like 5. And we'll come into our contents, change our trim paths. We can change the offset to move this around the circle. We can change our stroke and edit the dashes to create a larger second dash. We can add a third dash if we like, or even a fourth. And we can change our trim paths to reveal some more of that. Now we have very simply created something that looks completely different. Press U on the keyboard to hide our parameters. I'm actually going to duplicate ring 2 again and go into our contents, into the trim paths, and I'm going to offset that somewhere over here. Make it a little bit thinner, something like 35. Maybe slightly alter the dashes. So let's go ahead and we'll make a few more. Duplicate ring 3, pressing Command D, we'll scale it down, bring up scale by pressing S, and we'll shrink that down. We can make this thicker again. We'll go ahead, we'll adjust our trim paths. Maybe we'll just make this a complete circle. And we can go ahead and we can change our dashes again. Maybe we'll add another dash, and even something like that looks cool to me. Press U to hide our parameters, duplicate this ring. I'm going to scale it up here. Maybe make that really thick. Come into our trim paths. Adjust the start, and if we bring the end in, we can trim it from the other side, just to create a little variation. Press U on our keyboard, duplicate our 5th ring, pressing Command D, we'll scale it down to the inside. Trim our path a little bit. And edit our dashes. Maybe some small ones here. And we'll duplicate that. And we'll offset it. Just on the other side. Maybe make it a little bit smaller. Make the strokes thicker. Now we've created some variation.